Hi there, I'm Cliff Rosa with Rosa Media Productions, and I'm going to talk about school video production studios and the 4 C's and how the production studios help students practice those 4 C's. I help actually schools, elementary and middle schools, put together video production and video broadcast studios, live streaming, live editing studios, and so let's talk about why these are beneficial to students. First of all, just the very fact that students the broadcast equipment itself requires a team to run. You generally are going to have a technical director, you're going to have a media engineer, a teleprompter tech, at bare minimum 3 students running the system, and that's not including the talent that's on camera and all the other people that might be involved, like a floor director. Typically would be a teacher, at least at the early stage of implementing a broadcast. So you have to have a team, and the team's going to have to work together. Teamwork is a ripe situation for practicing those 4 C's. Now, the other way to practice teamwork that having the video broadcast on campus engenders teamwork is with the video production. I always recommend to schools that are getting a video broadcast going that they also start getting either a video production class or a club building, meaning teams of students that are building edited videos that have a particular message that they're trying to get out there. For example, advertising for events, highlighting those events, different PSAs. It's going to level up your performance of your broadcast if you have visually interesting content that students are creating to show at your school, rather than just having it be a talking head anchors based broadcast. You know, we can have the anchors, but let's have the edited planned content as well. Now, the next point is when you're dealing with video as a medium, you got to think about the first C. Video is a communication medium. So just the fact that you have students working at trying to get their point across, they're having to practice that C, that communication. So that's key. The next C that we're going to talk about is creativity. I would say a lot of folks think of this first when they think about students making videos, as it's a creative process, and I say amen to that. Absolutely, it's creative, and especially in the video production side, and I would say in the writing, the script writing side for the anchors, there's a lot of creativity that can go into that, as well as the push of having to work under a deadline and create something. So that's another element of that having the broadcast going on a regular basis that actually sort of forces the hand of creativity to say, let's go ahead and create and produce something for our broadcast. The third C is critical thinking. Now, critical thinking comes into play when students are trying to figure out and make up their mind about what am I going to put into this communication box, this moment of time that I'm going to have to get my message out there. I have to put things in the box, and I have to take things out in order to be the most effective with my communication. That takes critical thinking. Now, the last C goes hand in glove with teamwork, and that is collaboration. You've got to learn to work as a team if you're going to have a strong production team and a strong broadcast team. And so teamwork, collaboration, they're almost synonymous, right? So I think I've made the point that a school video broadcast channel actually creates the necessary conditions for students to practice the 4 C's. And that's what we're looking for. A real, authentic opportunity for students to build and grow and practice their skills. Now, if you are interested in getting a video broadcast channel studio put together at your campus, that's the service I provide. You can find out more at rosamediaproductions.com/studios. And for now, I'm Cliff Rosa with Rosa Media Productions. Have a great day.